Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Ready to make your Shopify store look even more eye-catching? In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to add a beautiful scrolling images slider to your Shopify site. And here's the best part. You won't need any extra apps or complicated installations. By the end of this video, you'll have a sleek image slider up and running that showcases your products or brands, grabbing your visitors' attention in just the way you want. To get started, go ahead and open the link I've put in the video description below. Don't worry, just keep that tab open. We'll need the code from there in a minute. Now, let's move over to your Shopify dashboard. Inside your dashboard, navigate to Online Store on the left side menu. Once you're there, look for the three little dots in the upper corner. They can be easy to miss, but that's where the magic starts. Click those dots and then select Edit Code from the dropdown. Don't be intimidated. You're not going to break anything. This is just where we'll add a new section for our slider. Okay, this next part's important. In the code editor, find the Sections folder in the sidebar. We're going to add a new file to this folder, so at the top of the list, look for the button that says Add a New Section, or sometimes just Add New File. In the text box that appears, type in scrollingimages.liquid and hit Create. You're basically giving Shopify a spot to put the code that controls our image slider. Now, let's circle back to that link you opened earlier. All you need to do is select all of the code on that page. I'd recommend grabbing everything from top to bottom so you don't miss a thing. Then head back to that newly created scrolling images liquid file in your Shopify editor. With your cursor in the blank file, paste in the code you just copied. This might look like a bunch of text, but don't worry. This is the engine that will power your slider. Click Save in the upper right, and that's it for the coding part. If it's your first time editing code, give yourself a pat on the back. You're doing great. Let's see it in action. Go back to your Shopify dashboard and click Customize on your theme. Here, you're actually building what your customers will see, so it can take a moment for the new section to show up. Once you're in the customizer, look for Add Section, usually a button on the left side. Click there and type Scrolling Images in the search box. You should see the new section appear, ready for you to use. Here's the fun part. With the Scrolling Images section added, it's time to fill it up. Click Add Images or the plus button and start uploading your pictures one at a time. Maybe you've got some nice product shots, logos from brands you stock, or even customer photos you want to highlight. Just take your time. Each image you add will show up in the slider, scrolling smoothly across the page. Don't stress if it takes a moment to upload or rearrange. You can always make changes later. Once you've got your images in place, just remember to click Save at the end. This locks in your changes and makes sure the slider is live for everyone to enjoy. And that's really it. You're all set with a modern, eye-catching scrolling images slider on your Shopify store. No extra app fees, no complicated code. I hope this helped you spruce up your shop and make it more engaging for your visitors. If you found this tutorial useful, please hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or ideas for future videos. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date on the latest Shopify tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy selling.